Alright, hey guys, I am back. So I got pretty busy with graduation, but I'm finally graduated with my 4-year degree, so that's pretty cool. So hopefully I'll start creating videos again more frequently. So today we are actually going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be doing an unboxing video. So if you watch any of my other videos, you know that I'm working on this Toyota Crawler. I'm putting a 5.3 liter in it, and I am to the point where I have to start bending some tube now to kind of build the front end of it, and then also wrap it kind of into the interior and make a roll cage as well. So I went ahead and I ordered the affordable tube bender is what it's called. A lot of the reviews were pretty good. There was a few kind of questionable reviews as far as the quality goes, so I'm really curious to open this thing up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we are. I have to say that my first impressions of it just in the box is I thought it would come in a lot bigger box, to be honest. So I'm thinking it's a lot smaller than I originally thought, which is totally fine, especially for my situation because I'm just in a 2-car garage and I don't have a lot of room. But we'll crack her open and see what we got inside here. Now I don't know if there's any like assembly with this. It just comes ready to go. I'm not sure. Oh, it comes with some stickers, so that's always a good sign. And instructions. Probably don't really need that. Okay, so this is what it comes with. This is what it comes with. Just pulling it out of the box here. We got the bender, which is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I mean, that's the size of my hand, so, which I actually think that's pretty cool that it's small. Just looking over it really quick. Some of the reviews said that the welds were kind of busted on it, but I mean, all my welds look pretty good on mine, I think. So pretty good there. Comes with some instructions over here, which I think are just for the jack, actually. Big Reds jacks. Probably don't need that. Comes with some sweet stickers, so you know, definitely gonna put those everywhere. And then, oh, I already broke something. Stop, do not return this product to the store. Okay, so don't return it to the store. And then, yeah. I will say too, I ordered it off of Amazon, but I think it still comes from the manufacturer, which is based out of Wyoming. So it wasn't like the super fast, like 2-day shipping, but it did get here within like a week, and you know, everything seems packaged really well. Nothing is broken, obviously, so pretty happy with ordering it through Amazon. It was like $420 out the door or something like that, which is a super good price. Comes with the die, all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to set it up and see if I can't bend something and see if it actually works. Okay, so this is 1 3/4. I think it's, yeah, looks like it's DOM. So this is probably gonna be the hardest to bend out of everything that I'm gonna expect this little bender to bend. So we'll see how it does. It's not a very long piece, so I probably won't be able to get like a full 90 out of it, but I don't know. Just curious to see how this goes. Also, I've read no instructions and watched no videos on how to do this, so this is just me trying to make it happen. Okay, so it looks like we're set up there. All right, we'll give it a whirl. Give it the old razzle dazzle. Maybe. There we go. I can already tell just by pumping this thing that this is gonna be a workout every time I use this, but that's all right. I think you can get hydraulic pumps for it too. I wonder if there's BRB. Okay, first complaint about this thing: the little handle that they give you for the jack. It's worthless. Just get a bigger one. Oh, except for my bigger one doesn't fit. I take that back. I'm just gonna have to use the little one. It's getting easier. Hopefully that's not a bad thing. Could be. That's as far as we're gonna go with this pipe because we'll run out of room on this little, whatever this is, I don't know, track thing. I don't want it to fall off and make a really loud noise. So, oh, that did pretty dang good, actually. I'll show you guys. So here we go. Not a crazy bend or anything like that, but bent it like a champ, actually. There's no kinking going on. Nothing, no flattening. It's not like pushing it, which means the die is like the perfect size. Yeah, it kind of scarred up the edge of it, but it didn't indent it or anything like that. It's just a rub mark because this was painted. But yeah, pretty happy with that, actually. I'm curious to see how it does with some 90s, but yeah. Okay, so you know, it's small, but it's definitely stout. It's very it's quite a unit. So my impressions of this jack, I guess, after using it for the first time, or not jack, what am I saying? My impressions of this two bender for the first time using it. Overall, I'm happy with the purchase. I think it's going to do just fine. After seeing how it bent this and it didn't kink it or anything, that's what I'm looking for. And for under, well, around $400, I think it definitely gets the job done, especially considering that a lot of the dies actually from other tube benders can run you up to like $300. So to be able to get the die and the bender and the bottle jack, even though it kind of sucks, for, you know, around $400 to start bending 1 3/4 DOM, I think that's pretty dang good. My only complaints, I think, well, the only defect that I found with this one is the bolt that holds this little sleeve on down here was stripped out, so I'll have to get a new bolt for that. Not a big deal at all. This little doohickey that they give you with the jack, I'm gonna have to get a different one of these because unless I think they're expecting bodybuilders to order these or something, but I'll have to get a longer one with more leverage, but not a big deal either. Or like I said, I think you can probably get a hydraulic jack for it, and that would make life pretty easy. So as far as figuring out what the overall length of the bend is going to be, I think it's going to end up being a pretty long bend and not a very tight bend. I think this is like a 7-inch die or something like that, so it's going to be pretty big bends. So I guess if you're looking for something that can bend something on a lot tighter of a spot, you should probably get something else. But overall, I'm happy. I would say that if you're in a small garage, you're on a budget, you're not going to be building like a giant tube chassis truck or car, this might be the way to go, because I mean, as far as pros go, it's pretty small. It gets the job done, and quality of the bends seem pretty dang good. So if you're looking for a good budget bender, definitely consider checking these guys out. Okay guys, so as I put more tubing on this truck and I start building the front end and the roll cage and I start making more bends with this little tube bender, we'll definitely be giving you updates about how it's doing, the longevity of it, and then give you any tips I can as far as measuring the bends and stuff like that. So as far as the channel goes, I'm hoping to do some more tool review videos, maybe some part videos too. So if you kind of like this style of video, definitely let me know. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.